How to frontside 50-50. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to know about frontside 50-50s is that frontside means the ledge is in front of your body. The front side of your body is facing toward the front of the ledge or the bench or the rail or whatever it's going to be. So the first thing I would do for this is I would size up the obstacle. I'd do an ollie next to it and make sure that my ollies were high enough. And then just practice ollieing up onto the ledge. So a 50-50 is when both of your trucks are on there. Both trucks are on the edge of the ledge, and you can kind of practice just ollieing up and getting your trucks on there. You want your trucks to land so the edge of the ledge or the rail or whatever obstacle it is you're going to be grinding is right up against your wheels. So you can just practice doing that. Now the next thing you need to know is how you're going to ride up to the obstacle. I don't go completely parallel, but you can see the angle here. I go at the obstacle a little bit. And then when I ollie, I turn just a little bit just to get on. And you can see how the obstacle is right up against the wheels right there. And that's exactly how you want to be on the 50-50. So you want to have both trucks right on there. So once you've sized up the object, you've ollied, and you feel like you can get on top of it, then you can practice going from the side. I definitely recommend starting out your 50-50 from the side of the obstacle, because you can kind of practice getting onto the obstacle from the side rather than straight on. If you go straight on, you might hang your trucks up on the front of the bench or ledge or whatever it is and then fall. But if you're going from the side, there's no obstacle that's going to hang you up. So you kind of have that advantage. So definitely for your first times of your first 50-50s, come at it from the side. So there's the angle you can see, and then I just pop up and both trucks are on there, and then I just pull my front truck off to the side. If you have an obstacle that you can ride off the end, you can pretty much just let your wheels slide off just like you're going to ride off a curb. Or once you get a little better at it, you can do an ollie out. So yeah, keep working at this. I know you guys are going to get it. It's a super fun trick. If you haven't mastered the basics of skateboarding, definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's a super good video. I know it's going to help you guys out. So yeah, it's available at brailleskateboarding.com. So check it out there. Here's a bunch of other videos for you guys to watch. I hope you guys are learning some things, and I hope you're getting better at your skating. Thanks for all your help and support.